Hello everyone, Theme Park Tracker here with yet another Jurassic World The Ride update. As you can tell, the Indominus Rex has been revealed once again. In the last update, the spot where the Indominus sits was covered up by black tarp, and that was all for the installation of a new Animatronic. Now it's here. Well, some of it anyways. I wonder why the park chose to expose the Indominus in this state. You can clearly see that it isn't the full thing, especially when looking right under the neck. You can see how it's missing so much. The trees and plants don't cover this part at all. However, riders are distracted by the T-Rex that just lunged out from the wall, so they would hardly notice this. I can understand the park didn't want to have those black tarps covering the scene, as it's already been covered for multiple weeks, with the ride being open for only 4 months. I believe this is the form we are stuck with for a few more weeks until it goes down for refurbishment after the holidays. That's when we'll get the full-body animatronic capable of all the movements for scaring the guest in the tour boats and battling the T-Rex. The winter months after the holidays are a perfect time for this ride to close down, since ridership would be low due to the cold weather and lighter attendance in the park overall. Now, let's talk about what we can clearly see on the new Indominus Animatronic. You can quite easily see round cutouts for arms on both sides of the dino. You can see that they are different shades of gray from the rest of the torso and neck, most likely due to being made from another material. We have seen arms being built for this dino as seen in the behind the scenes footage for this attraction, along with other body parts that will bring it all together. I imagine the arms will have some movement, it just depends on how it interacts with the T-Rex. The arms on the Indominus are considerably longer than that of the T-Rex, so moving arms would make more sense on this dino compared to the latter. Moving on to the T-Rex Lunge, we have yet to see if movement of the T-Rex will change. Some things that could happen are the head turning towards the Indominus, but I feel like it's already positioned like that as seen in this shot. The two dinosaurs are already attempting to face each other, but they are still nowhere near recreating a battle between the two. As you've seen from the footage, the Indominus in its current state just moves its head up and down and does a slight head tilt towards the T-Rex when it makes an appearance. That's the only thing it's programmed to do at the moment, along with some slight jaw movements. Again, this isn't the final form, and more movement is bound to come after the full thing has been installed. Let me know down in the comment section below what you would like to see from these two massive dino animatronics. The end result won't have them making contact with each other, as I could imagine it's a maintenance nightmare as damages could occur to both. Something more realistic is them getting inches away from each other and pretending to attack. For example, the Indominus head could go behind the T-Rex to make it look like they're hitting each other, or attacking with their teeth. Again, the animatronics wouldn't be touching each other, but with good movement programming, I'm sure they can make the experience much more realistic. Traveling towards the Indominus is another story. In this ride through, it took a while before the Indominus actually started to move, and then all it did was move its head up and down. Something much more exciting needs to be done before the T-Rex comes out from the wall and attacks the Indo. These plants that are covering the Indominus is another mystery. Will they be removed in favor of being able to turn towards the guest, or are they going to remain there for the sake of theming and hiding mechanics related to the animatronic? Leading up to the Indominus vs T-Rex battle, I could see the Indo and Raptor named Blue off to the right roaring at each other from across the tour boat flume, of course with more movement than what is shown in this footage. We still have a ways to go before Jurassic World The Ride is in its full form, but hey, this Indominus Rex might be the beginning of future enhancements down the road. Another area that's on everyone's mind is the Predator Cove section, right where the Raptor cage is. Universal might try and make this area more alive by adding more props and outdoor animatronics, but this is only speculation. It seems highly possible due to the feedback they're receiving on this portion alone. Well, that's all for this quick Jurassic World The Ride update. I hope you enjoyed the low-light footage, and please subscribe to the channel for more updates on Universal Studios Hollywood.